What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, back with another banging video. And as you can see, we are already embroidering a hat. So that's what we'll be doing today. We will be embroidering a customer's logo onto the hat. Their business name will be down in the description below. So if you want to go check out their merch, it is called Plum Series Apparel. Sorry about that. So they are on Instagram. So if you want to go check out their page, go ahead to Plum Series Apparel. It all will be down in the description below. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you the hats that will be embroidered and show you the process and the step of the hats being attached to the hat hoop. And after that, we'll get started with the video. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, so when the video started, this was the hat that was being embroidered. It's done. So I am going to go ahead and take it off the hoop. I just took off my clips. I always use these clips to make sure that I can get a straight, sorry about that, to make sure that I can get that straight and smooth area to embroider on so there won't be any clumps. So I'm going to just take this out. And it's a lever over here on the side. Just pop that out. And there we have it, a finished hat, Plum Series, as you can see. So now what I am going to do is show you how to hoop the hat onto the hat hoop frame and the materials that we will be needing. So stay tuned to the video. And sorry guys, I know it's been a while. If you guys do follow my Instagram, you know that I had a pop-up shop. So I've been working very, very hard to produce a lot of merch for the pop-up shop. That's why I have not been posting. So that was over. I have another one coming up probably in another 2 weeks. So now I'm about to try and push some great quality videos out for you guys. So definitely stay tuned to the video. And also, if you could do me a huge favor and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. It'll be greatly appreciated, guys. Thank you. Okay, for the most part, these are the supplies that we'll need, which are your clips, of course, thread. It's going to be these 3 colors. Those are the ones that's going to be embroidered on the different hats. Of course, cutter, and I already pre-cut a couple of stabilizers. And this is the stabilizer roll. And of course, we will need the hats. Let's grab that now. All right, so these are the hats that's going to be embroidered on right there. And right here. So these are all of the customers' hats that's going to be embroidered on. Bag it up a little. There you go. Yep, so these are the hats right here. All right, so without further ado, let's go into the hat. Let's grab the hat and go ahead and start hooping it and showing you guys the process. So we do have about 9 or 10 hats for blacks. So we are going to just continue to finish off the black hats because it is using the white thread instead of keep swapping out thread. So we're going to just go ahead and continue using the black hat. So make sure that's on good. Have the cap. Always take that out, the sweat part, the sweatband. And start to hoop it. See it? Make sure you always pull the sweatband part up. So what I like to do, I found this quicker to hoop and more efficient, is once I find that center spot, and it's also a red line up here. You can't see it, but you can see this red line. Once I find that center groove, I go ahead and flip that up. So now you can see the red line and it lines up. So from there, bag it up just to make sure that's straight. go ahead and hoop it. All right. And now from there, you want to put this back. Looks good. And go ahead and line this up and clamp it down nice and tight. It's straight. And the good thing about the image or the logo that's on the machine, you can adjust it whether you want it left or right, because the image isn't too wide, so you're able to get that extra wiggle room if you need it. So now from here, we're going to go ahead and put the clamps on. And you just want to give it a stretch so you can add your clamps. One on that side and one on the other side. All right, so that's a perfectly hooped hat. So now let's go ahead and take it to the placement and get that set up. All right, so put it on as seen, as shown there. So from there, you always have the grooves. And now you want to make sure you hear that pop to let you know that everything is hooped correctly. Sorry about that. Trying to get a good angle. All right, so everything is on. If you heard the click and the pop. So right now, just looking at it, it doesn't look centered. So what I am going to do is just scoot it over just a bit. It's already pushed up to the furthest it can go. So from here, sorry about that. From here, all we have to do is go ahead and start it up and get everything moving. This stitch out is about, it says 8 minutes, only 4,400 stitches, so that's not too bad, not too long. So this is a great design. I digitized it myself, so I just wanted to make it simple. Everything's looking good, coming out clean so far. And if you guys need orders or anything digitized or put on hats, don't hesitate to contact me on Instagram, which will be in the description below. And also, I just want to say, I appreciate everyone that came out to the pop-up. I was going to post it on YouTube, but like I said, I was just so caught up in trying to make merch and different items and stuff, so I didn't post it on YouTube. I posted on my Instagram, so if you want to go check that out, go ahead. It was a great turnout. I appreciate everyone who supported, everyone who came out. Those that didn't or couldn't make it, it was all love. I do appreciate you guys so much. And like I said, I'm trying to go ahead and go crazy with these videos and uploads. So definitely going to bring some new stuff to the channel. So definitely stay tuned to the channel as well, guys. I appreciate you. All right, so everything came out excellent. Design, everything is clean. So let me go ahead and take that out of the hoop, show you guys the final result. All right, so just like the last hat, it came out excellent. Looks great, looks good. So now I'm going to do the other colors. Some of the other hats had different colors. Some had white. The other ones had like a olive green or dark green, and the other one had like a khaki color. So I'm going to show you those hats real quick, so stay tuned. All right, so this is the final result of that color and that hat. Looks great, came out dope. So, I mean, it's pretty much, of course, the same thing, just repetitive things as far as the logo and everything. So this is going to be done on each hat, just different color thread. So for the most part, yeah, I'll post at the end of this video, I'll show you all of the hats embroidered. So as always, guys, once again, it's your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. And as always, stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness. And I'm out, guys.